Imagine this scenario. It's been a long day for her and she's feeling exhausted. You notice the tension in her shoulders, so you decide to give her a tender massage. As you work your magic, she melts under your touch. That's the first gesture. As she relaxes from the massage, you suggest watching a movie together. Halfway through the film, during a lighthearted scene, you playfully nibble her earlobe. That's the second gesture. It's light, playful, and sends a thrill through her, making her feel special and desired. However, you notice a flicker of distraction in her eyes. You start to wonder if your efforts are enough to keep her engaged and connected. Fast forward to the next day. You're both out for a casual stroll in the park. You find a secluded bench, sit close, and lightly touch her thigh. It's the third gesture, a bold yet affectionate move that shows your attraction. She feels wanted and appreciated, knowing that you're paying attention to the small, intimate details. Yet, you sense a subtle shift in her mood, and the stakes rise. If these moments don't bring you closer, you risk losing the special connection you're building. That evening, you're cooking dinner together. Amidst the laughter and shared cooking tasks, you lean in and whisper sweet nothings in her ear. She can't help but smile. It's your secret weapon. These whispered words of affection make her feel cherished and deeply connected to you. That's the fourth gesture, a tactic used by few men who know how to make a woman feel deeply loved. As dinner finishes, you dim the lights, put on some soft music, and invite her to dance. The fifth gesture is holding her during a slow dance, showing how much you value her presence. It's a romantic activity that strengthens your bond, a classic move older men use to keep the romance alive. If you're enjoying these tips and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. After the dance, you both settle down to relax. As you trace gentle circles on her skin, perhaps on her arm or back, she feels the soothing, caring nature of your touch. That's the sixth gesture. This small, soothing act makes her feel special and cared for, turning an ordinary moment into something magical. A subtle art that few men practice, but which can make a huge difference. The next morning, as she's getting ready for her day, you run your fingers through her hair. It's a soothing and intimate seventh gesture, making her feel pampered and loved. This simple act can convey a lot of affection and tenderness, another little-known secret among those who truly understand how to be romantic with their girlfriend. But today, she seems preoccupied. If you don't find a way to truly connect, you risk her slipping away emotionally. Later that day, when she least expects it, you give her a soft kiss on her neck. It's unexpected and incredibly romantic. She feels irresistible and cherished, knowing that you find her captivating. That's the eighth gesture, and one of the best romantic ideas for couples looking to keep the romance alive. A move that the most romantic men know to keep their partners feeling adored. In a quiet moment together, you gently caress her back during your conversation. This small, thoughtful act shows you're attentive and caring, making her feel comforted and valued. That's the ninth gesture, one that showcases how deeply you care for her, something few men truly excel at. Before moving on to the final gesture, know that incorporating these small romantic gestures into your relationship can significantly enhance the way she feels about you. They are simple yet powerful ways to show affection and make her feel loved and cherished. Whether you're looking for romantic gestures for your girlfriend or romantic activities for couples, these ideas can help you keep the romance alive in your relationship. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest impact, so don't underestimate the power of these small gestures. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these romantic ideas. And finally, the ultimate romantic gesture, whispering sweet nothings. It's intimate, personal, and makes her feel adored. This act shows her how much she means to you, solidifying your deep connection. That's the 10th gesture, the pinnacle of romance that only the most attentive and loving partners practice.